It's fall. I want to get really cozy. I want to set the mood, have a little pumpkin spice, and we want to show you some of our favorites that really help us set the vibe for this season. Okay, so to set the mood, I feel like candle is always like my go-to. This is Maison Margiela Replica by the fireplace. I've talked about this one a lot.
I love this one.
You love this
So
one
good.
too. I know.
It's just so warm.
It's so warm. It's a gourmand, so it really just sets the mood as if you're literally sitting by like a little crackling fireplace, just warm and cozy. And being from San Diego originally, Southern California, you don't always get that feeling in fall and winter.
It's
like
true.
There's not much of a season change, so something like this is kind of like a sensory experience that kind of sets the vibe. So I love this one so much. I also wear the fragrance sometimes.
All right, I am originally from the East Coast, and I love to pick apples. That is like my favorite fall activity. This is a really great one from Kayali. It is their Eden Juicy Apple, and it smells like that juicy apple. It just like, it almost smells like you've taken a bite out of a fresh apple.
Yeah,
I love
sometimes
it.
you get to take the apples and make a cider too.
Exactly.
It kind of has that little bit of like zing to it.
Apple
it reminds
butter, apple bread. I love all things
It
apple.
totally takes you there. All right, when the seasons change, our skin changes.
Yes.
And that's intensified for me because now I'm living part-time in Nashville and in Los Angeles with 2 different climates. So all of that wrapped together, having dry skin and sensitive prone skin, I need something to help me out. I'm obsessed with this Topicals Like Butter mask. Whether you have like eczema prone skin and you really need something to address that, this is amazing. If your skin's really dry and it just doesn't really love the seasonal changes that happens when fall comes around, or you're like me and you're moving from climate to climate, this really is a catch-all. You can use an AHA, BHA mask that might be a little bit irritating on your skin, and this will really help restore your barrier.
All right, this time of year, my lips get super dry as well.
Same.
I feel like I'm losing the color of my face. I just wanna amp it up a little bit and get the hydration back into my lips. I went to a Sephora event. I met Makeup by Mario himself, and he applied this to his model. This is the Lip Plumping Serum. I tried it and I cannot speak highly enough of it. It feels really cushy. It hydrates your lips really well. It is plumping, but it's like a soft plump. It does it with like a cooling kind of effect.
Oh,
it's
that
really
feels so
not,
good.
it's really beautiful. It's not anything that's going to irritate your skin. It's beautiful. They have this one in Petal Glow, which I think is very subtle, but they have a range of shades, and this is just such a good lip balm with some tint.
All right, so this is a recent launch I went to the event for with Gwen Stefani herself.
Oh my
This
God.
is her brand Give Beauty, and this is the Pick It Up Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. I was telling Helen about this earlier when we were getting ready. The balm formula is so
Like, say
good.
no more.
It just like blends perfectly with all those trending liquid blushes that are really about that youthful glow, but the seamless blend is what does it for me. And then the powder bronzer just kind of locks it in and extends your summer glow into fall, so you can still look nice and healthy.
And it wouldn't be fall without the leaves changing and taking
That's
a little
true.
hike outside. I really love the Tatcha Forest Awakening. This is the Hinoki Body Milk. It's just really crisp and beautiful. It's got that woodsy scent.
Oh my gosh, that feels like I just walked into like a spa.
It's so good.
It's instant relaxation.
It
but
really
I know what
is.
you mean, like the woodsy fall sensory kind of experience.
I love it so
Here
much.
for it.
And it hydrates your bod too, so extra benefits. All right, Melinda, I feel like we have officially set the fall vibe.
I'm in the vibe.
Exactly. We're gonna put on a sweater, we're gonna cozy up. You do the same at home, and if you wanna check out any of these products, you can shop the shelf below. And until next time, bye everybody.
See ya.